This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Carrie Ross. Welcome home to this beautiful waterfront all-brick ranch in well-established Elizabeth River shores. Open floor plan flooded with natural light and calming waterfront views. Featuring new whole house generator with ATS, updated kitchen, appliances, gas stove, end baths, newer furnace, roof, windows, water heater, leaf guard gutters and sump pump. Large bedrooms with bonus/game room off a foyer. Laundry room west/sink, oversized garage with basement. Enjoy beautiful sunsets on the covered back porch, fish from the backyard. Elizabeth River/tidal water just a boat ride away from the Chesapeake Bay/Lynnhaven Inlet. For more information,